Can GoDaddy verify identity? Yes, GoDaddy has processes to verify identity in specific situations. This is primarily to ensure the security of accounts, domains, and sensitive transactions. GoDaddy's identity verification typically occurs when users request changes to sensitive information, gain access to locked accounts, or manage domain ownership transfers. 1. Why does GoDaddy verify identity? GoDaddy verifies identity to maintain the security and integrity of its services. This is done to prevent unauthorized access, protect accounts and sensitive data, ensure ownership, verify domain or account ownership during disputes or transfers, comply with regulations, meet legal and compliance standards in various regions. Second methods GoDaddy uses for identity verification. Depending on the context, GoDaddy may verify identity using the following methods. Step 1. Request for government-issued ID. GoDaddy might ask users to provide a scanned copy of a government-issued ID, such as a driver's license or passport. Step 2. Email verification. For less sensitive tasks, GoDaddy may send a verification link to the registered email address to confirm the user's identity. Step 3. Phone verification. GoDaddy may perform identity verification through SMS or a phone call to the registered number associated with the account. Step 4. Proof of ownership. For domain-related requests, GoDaddy may ask for proof of purchase or account access credentials. 3. When does GoDaddy require identity verification? GoDaddy requires identity verification in several scenarios. 1. Account recovery. When users lose access to their accounts or cannot remember their login credentials. 2. Domain transfers. To confirm ownership during domain transfers between accounts or registrars. 3. Account changes. For updates to sensitive account details like email addresses, payment methods, or legal ownership. 4. Suspicious activity. If suspicious activity is detected, GoDaddy may temporarily lock the account and request identity verification.